Easy to use. Easy to see display. Alarm can be heard from another room. No complicated, i.e. useless, modes. Just a plain old timer. Just what I wanted. My only, minor, gripe is that it's never turned off unless you pull the battery, which is not unusual for timers in this category, unfortunately. Make sure you peel the plastic off the battery before first time use. These were smaller than I would have liked, but they work great, and the alarm is plenty loud. I needed something to replace an old supermarket timer. Love them. We use them in our commercial kitchen while cooking. Magnetically sticks to refrigerator so I will not lose it in my kitchen. I received 2 and 1 was broken, but Amazon refunded half my money. These are what is described. A simple timer to count down or stopwatch. My only observation is they seem a little small. They each came with a battery. The battery was covered with plastic that needs to be removed to begin using the timer. Super easy to use. Got mine hanging on the side of the fridge next to the stove. Works like a charm. I bought these so I could have one for Scrabble and the other for different timing needs around the house. I was skeptical because of the price, but so far they work great. I like them, and they came with batteries. Great value. Love the magnet on the back to hang on fridge, stove, file cabinet, etc. Overall, these timers work as they are supposed to. They only go up to 60 minutes and 59 seconds. If you want a timer with hours, you'll have to get a different one, or restart the timer. The major downfall on these is the lack of an on/off button. These timers will stay on while the battery is installed. Removing the battery is the only way they will turn off. I got them to make a bomb prop for my daughter's Call of Duty week paintball missions. I tested them out first in my kitchen. Was so easy to program, start, and stop. It also got rained on and still worked fine afterwards. Arrived quick. They are just as described. Work great so far. Will update if anything changes. It really would be much better if it had an hour button on it. The timer has large numbers and a loud beeping to inform you of its countdown reaching 0. Not all bad, not all great. Good price. It is smaller than I thought. Click link in description for more reviews.